Most people don't fail financially because they make bad decisions. They fail because they make comfortable ones. Not reckless, not dramatic, just small, sensible upgrades that slowly replace wealth with convenience. This is the lifestyle trap, and almost no one notices when they step into it. Let's imagine a very normal situation in the US or Europe. You're in your late 20s or early 30s. You finish university, get a decent job, and finally start earning real money. Your salary looks solid on paper, but what matters is what actually reaches your account. After tax, your monthly take-home is about $3,200 or 2,900 euros. You rent a decent apartment close to work. That's $1,200 gone. You finance a car because everyone around you does. That's $420. Student loan repayment, $300. Groceries, phone, subscriptions, utilities, $500. Credit card from emergencies and small treats, $180. By the end of the month, you're left with around $600. Not struggling, but not moving forward either. And this is where the trap begins. The hidden financial mistake. The mistake isn't spending, it's normalizing a lifestyle that grows as fast as your income. Every raise quietly becomes a nicer place, a better car, more convenience, more comfort. But none of it builds ownership. Your life feels upgraded. Your net worth stays flat. You don't feel poor, but you're not becoming wealthy either. Simple math, the real cost. Let's take just one decision, upgrading your car. Instead of driving a reliable used car, you choose a newer model. Payment, $420 per month. Over 5 years, that's $25,200. If that same money were invested at a modest 7% annual return, it would grow to about $35,000. Not overnight wealth, but real, measurable progress. And that's just one line in your budget. Most people repeat this decision across housing, transportation, daily convenience, subscriptions, status spending. Not because they're irresponsible, but because it feels reasonable in the moment. The psychological reason. The real driver isn't money, it's identity. You don't want to feel behind. You don't want to look like you're still struggling. You want your lifestyle to match your effort. So when income rises, spending follows automatically. Not out of greed, out of a desire for stability, comfort, and social normalcy. But your brain measures success in how life feels today, not in what it becomes 10 years from now. Comfort gives immediate feedback. Wealth does not. At 30, this doesn't feel dangerous. At 40, it starts to matter. Because while your income grew, your savings never accelerated. You stayed dependent on your salary. Every job change still feels risky. Every unexpected expense still feels heavy. Not because you earned too little, but because comfort absorbed your surplus. The lifestyle trap doesn't create poverty, it creates financial stagnation. You look successful, but you don't feel secure. Financially intelligent people don't think in terms of, can I afford this? They think in terms of, what is this replacing? Not emotionally, not dramatically. They understand that every convenience either builds future freedom or trades it away quietly. They don't avoid comfort forever. They delay it until assets, not income, pay for it. Not because they're extreme, but because they understand that wealth is invisible while it's being built. The lifestyle trap doesn't come with warning signs. It arrives as a better apartment, a nicer car, and a smoother daily life. Nothing feels wrong, nothing feels reckless. But comfort, when left unquestioned, slowly replaces ownership. And ownership is what creates long-term security. This isn't about living poorly. It's about recognizing what your comfort is quietly costing you. If this way of thinking makes you more aware, not guilty, just clearer, then this channel is for you. You can subscribe if you want more calm, rational perspectives on money.